So if Mr. Lesaya is a batty man, if I am not using that language pursuant to Section 3 or pursuant to the Town and Communities Act in any way so as tend to cause a breach of the peace or coupled within a behavior, that is not a breach of the law. Anybody have anything otherwise to say, go read the law and can tell me the provision that tell me that I am wrong. You can call anybody anything you want. Be careful of defamation though, because the Defamation Act, remember now, you cannot defame somebody who is a nobody, because that's the key word, is defame. If the person is not famous, then you can't defame them. So if it's an unfamous person or a person who is not famous, then you can't defame them. So you don't really don't want to call people some words that they are not if they're famous. Because the Defamation Act might catch you. All right? But as long as you know, call the person any word or say something to them, you know, pursuant to the Defamation Act, and publish it, you know, that don't go so, then you're good. You can't tell him anything you want to tell him in front of him. As long as you know, publish it. Yes? Etc. etc. So, yeah, because that would be to defame them. But if him famous, you tell him, say, in a way that is that don't tend to cause a breach of the peace. Say, for example, you know, say he's a batty man, though. You just behave like he's a batty man, for example. Or say, you know, say he's a P-hole, though. You behave like he's a P-hole. You hear the tone? You hear the way I say it? That is not a way that tend to cause a breach of the peace. So when constables like to run with it and go lock up people, if you get a nice fat suit for malicious prosecution, man, people have freedom of expression in this country.